Or can be by said way second way a San statement no mum. Some quite that papers. My son didn't have my sister through. Okay, fair no sobra. Fair no sobra.
Anyway, publishers also can.
Also can be your home.
Come on, me and Matthias.
What I say?
Matthias. We also can.
Also can be you from
the one and I have fear and talk on so.
The can be and can be home. The Daily Graphic has said 4 million NCA scandal. Bafuboni Tave Alhaji Osman jailed. Court orders confiscation of assets. And the Ghanaian Times say NCA $4 million financial loss case. 3 former appointees jailed 16 years. The custodian, 3 Mahama appointees jailed 16 years. The publisher, NCA gang, jailed 16 years for 4 million financial loss to the state. The Ghanaian Observer, former NCA boss, 2 others jailed over 4 million NCA scandal. Daily Guide, Bafuboni Tave Osman jailed 16 years in NCA trial. Nanka eno ye a neighbor could be dear no as a Daily Graphic dear no yasepa. Said the Daily Graphic year no Bafuboni, we should say Bafuboni, Tave, or we should say Tave, Nina, to Canina boom, but Futuru boom.
That's it.
And
cry towel boss swinging, and they say find that can be.
I find that so yeah,
and come out what they bear any muha, and pennyphobia. Now woman and kakane, now woman da NCA, National Communications Authority, ano, Sika beer, yes, so woman de cocoto if you be, so what they babe monitoring, says Sikana or the cocoto, no, Sikane, Sikaboom, the Tosubu, Nay and Shedding here, a face so cry national security for was and cannot woman who woman him, and it's a simple bra, de cocotono. Yes, a quarter share woman some in a year was my boy minor kahunu, ain't you know, yet the more quack share a fiasina, woman in an on our cabomoa, a young fish Siano. Na finshia dunsia yesi wo mun konkoda fiase no yesi yeji wo mu ejapade yesi de beya ye beton ye dikan akeka wo mu ho atototo mbotom enya sika no kakra ka ye nyanso so no so Ghana ban say enya se sika pum no wo di no akwa akoda fie na wo dem na wo yire no ma esweme ewo sikam ye ton waja pade bibia wudin da so say ye ode bia ye ton kosi say sika aka echi no ye benya na aban hu say wateneka woni aban ka wo so no so no wo ka
sama me Daily Graphic
and graphic we say pay 13 ni hia me pa ntimesan ba mu bio we Daily Guide Democrat no na wo de eba yiti William Tevi Eugene Bafuboni asa Bafuboni din kwa na obi ebo enso nyono nko o nyono nko na ekwa akodem no omdoso na omokwa akodem no ho nsem Democrat de abanti se wo hwe Daily Guide no no wabubum seizure of properties no wo de aba abujapade ya aban de nensa to so no enu enie fei case no na shasi ankasa December 2017 ya wode charges 17 ebo wo mo no 17 ya omu nyina plead not guilty na so omu ni fo no enu ni adansefo a eba asem ni mu wo mo susu nyina ewo ha eni adwuma wo mo ye free Yvonne Atakra obo obisa na fe abenasafo ajeyi ene woni eka ho nyina Democrat aid wo mo edian abanti so wonya Democrat no bia wo behunu asem no Auditor General Daniel Yawo Domlevo wono so na aba betodwa se yese obu court animtia court nhihye we ani so ne saso nti court obu ne fo eno ho nsem Democrat yi de aba ya eno so ewo hanom
ontie brofo bi ho paragraph we'll pay 3 paragraph 1 2 3 okay, abuse of position. Before the judge pronounced the sentences, lawyers for the convicts had prayed the court to temper justice with mercy on the basis that their clients were first-time offenders.
First-time pony.
When you say, "As someone will be so can or cano." First-time
pony, and a boom say.
Counsel for Teve Mr. Godwin Tamaklo particularly made a passionate appeal to the court not to give his client a custodial sentence due to his ill health. He said his client had a health condition which required expensive treatment, and therefore sending him to prison would amount to a death sentence. In the wake of the COVID-19 and with his underlying condition, a custodial sentence will be a death sentence for my client, he had pleaded with the court. However, in passing sentence, Justice J. Bafo said he took into consideration the fact that $3 million of public funds had been wasted. Those were his words. And also the fact that the convicts were persons who were in position of trust. He said the citizens of Ghana expected their taxes to be used wisely and not to be thrown away by public officials placed in position of trust. There's a quotation from the judge. As persons who were in position of trust, they completely failed in their discharge of duties. In this circumstance, an exemplary and deterrent punishment is necessary to send the right signal to public service holders that if they failed to be good custodians of the resources of the state, they will not be left off the hook by law.
Kodwe waka brofini bebre na asem ni nyina awie ye ne se munye Awurade Yesu Kristo ni na munyimi ni na obedu ni ofie nkwa asem ni nyina ne se na wo mo ye mpanifo wo Ghana ha wo mo ka bo mu kokoto afidie bia afidie ne o se nka NCA board agitum ansa na wo mo akasa ne na ye kwa akoto $3 million any first offenders munye bida omo ye no ene omo de sohweye
ti asem ye wo ha. One major piece of evidence that the prosecution relied on for its case was a confession statement given by Bafo Boni to the Bureau of National Investigations (BN) during the investigations into the scandal. The former NCA board chair is said to have told the BNI that the scandal was indeed true and that he and the other accused persons had benefited from the deal to the tune of $500,000 US. He said he personally got $200,000. Lawyers fight back. During the trial, his lawyers made many efforts to the court not to accept the confession as evidence. They argue that Bafo Boni was coerced and was under duress when he made the said confession. However, in the judgment yesterday, Justice J. Bafo held that the evidence on record showed that Bafo Boni gave the confession on his own volition.
Ana ni nyina ye omo de ba ye Bafo Boni TV Osman jailed 16 years in NCA trial no mani je ho Ghanaian Times mani an sheda anye ho 3 former appointees ye the politics chance yes ye de ba mpe na mani pani bia nya ba bia
okay so ma me na fe ye nko ahomano so na yene lawyer Godwin Tamaklo and to nkomo twetwe so. Okay. Right, I'm going to patch me come chair.
Captain, I know pay me also. Share with you for now.
It's here for you now, so Edjo. So what am I now to say?
Actually, I'm for Adom. So Adom do your so na ya mano.
Pacho, any pami and say na emudi hen and a lawyer now.
The former director general. The second accused.
Okay. But then a course or court when right. A coban is saying a fee, a courier saying few dunsia. One me and saying Uncle Chena won't call them in.
Your captain, I idea my say because my career lawyer involved in ordinarily and idea can make us that. But I say a judgment has been delivered. And at this point, no. technically now there's no longer a case. When the Omamuha in Eba adjudicate na Yadiama judge for. So judge me a man na onene ya union. The best tradition at the bar and they we disagree respectfully. Na who be which me call appeal into say at best they make me can say they disagree with the verdict of the court. Now no and go through a bit of abacus. And then it's OSHA around December 2017 in a attorney general at this agree at the ball my client. In all now I have about 17, 18 charges. Now in the case of my client, now obviously the charges of conspiracy to cause financial loss, causing financial loss, conspiracy to steal, the use of public office for private gain, breaches of the Public Procurement Act, and misuse of public property, and money laundering. For all intents and purposes, the most difficult of the charges the ones involving conspiracy to steal, causing financial loss, conspiracy to steal, money laundering, the use of public office for private gain, because those are corruption related offenses. In the course of the trial, Captain, prosecution at the 6 witnesses in the debate. The first witness, now on the director of legal services, Mrs. Asafoa J. Now, Jacoba Munyan is there. At the time of the transaction, no need NCA, no leave. Now the director general then a different person. That's the director in charge of legal service. So we ordinarily have difficulties there. If you want fairness, onipa na no director legal and secretary to the board. Emra Romedi ABCD.
Okay, lawyer Mpacho boy and kakra. The na oboni din say obaye bedi adanse di kan no. Na oye adwuma wo home mom na mum samre na contract we
yes.
Wo ye ho adwuma no.
She was one time secretary to the board. Then there was reshuffle.
Okay.
Then a different person became the board secretary and director legal.
Okay, now anya bi otimi kire mu say ebia wo share contract we ase no. E sha se wo ne mre so ansa.
That be no ni ho kra.
Okay.
No ni ho kra. In fact, she took about almost 8 months of accumulated leave. Hello.
Pacho mi ti opa antikoso.
8 months of accumulated leave. And in fact, under cross-examination, she herself admitted that she was not happy that the board chairman, the director general, asked her to take her accumulated leave because there were others who had the same situation but were not allowed. That's fair. Then the director general, the director in charge of finance, Captain, curiously, this director of finance, the letter I call Eco Bank to transfer the money for the purchase of the Pegasus. He co-signed it. NCA account no ewo mandate. Director General Nkwa ain't mean signing for release of funds. So under cross-examination, I asked him that could the Director General alone sign for the transfer of the money? He said no. So I asked, but for your signature, this transfer will not go through. He said that is correct. He came to court as a prosecuting witness. So how can the Director General cause financial loss and the one who has an authorizing signature together with him is free? 2. The third prosecution witness. I don't know by a dance here, a tia, maybe client. Equipment no a buy Avgo. So him Avgo. Hello, Captain.
Lawyer Pachomi wa hamiti pa.
Na because so him Avgo.
Trying.
Good. Equipment no efi Israel direct in the back Ghana. The clearing processes or no they call clear and yet Director General no cra. He went to Avgo Kotoka and cleared the equipment. Israeli technicians live Israel buy no. Or no any more in the install equipment. No. He rather came to court as a prosecution witness against the Director General who didn't even participate in the installation process.
Okay, so now we'll patch a senka as a son of your jail in Biana.
That be main canister.
Okay.
The me patch winning there. There could not have been any question of causing financial loss. Because equipment no more koto. Equipment no buy. In fact, the record shows the entire 4 million was paid to the company, Infralock. In fact, the record also shows say equipment no buy. Equipment no buy no. Third prosecution witness ground they call clear airport. And so Israeli officials no buy no from NSO group. Or no any more in the call install equipment no. So what I say? Only more the call install Director General had nothing. Our MMA client. So okay, financial loss. And in the course of the trial, third prosecution witness was now confronted with letter on Ankasa Trauma Echo Bank say equipment number. It has been installed and it is working. On Ankasa Krata on no Troy Echo. So if Oba Abonti, and you see, like we pointed out, the substantive charges, the most grievous charges that borders on corruption, prosecution anti-me DNA evidence. Prosecution anti-me investigator or buyer. I cross-examine him. I asked him a very simple question. Do you have any evidence that Mr. William TV? His answer was very straightforward. I have no evidence. I said, look, you took all his bank statement, bank detail, you gave it to the Financial Intelligence Center, everything. They investigated him, everything. No evidence whatsoever. He said that is correct. And so the judge had no difficulty at all in dismissing the charges bordering on conspiracy to steal, the charges bordering on the use of public office for private gain, money laundering, and but when you come and you say the man had caused financial loss to the state, what can I do? Because the law on causing financial loss to the state here Sebi, with the mano edas minaso is the most broaded of all our criminal laws in this country. Anybody can fix you with it. So we take consolation in the fact say the ones that borders on dishonesty, the judge himself found that no evidence whatsoever was laid.
Okay, lawyer,
I don't want to bore you this morning.
Don't worry. Answer na obe kosto. Efidie na nkasa na omokoto no ne buo no pie court ho.
In fact, very brilliant question. The investigator who came, I asked him a simple question. That Chief so-and-so, Chief Inspector so-and-so, as you testify this morning, you do not even know what the Pegasus system is. He said that is correct. And I said, it is not your case that the price of the Pegasus system was inflated. He said that is correct. Because this Pegasus system, Saudi Arabia had a fee NSO group for $54 million. My client and others bought it for $8 million. We only made a part payment of $4 million. Part payment. Captain, part payment.
But your part
and the record is there.
Part payment and they are saying
4.
Okay. Pacho.
So there's an outstanding 4 that has not been paid.
Emra, our client, ye did can invite in or be and I know now what kind of ho. Okay.
No.
That time then you want a lawyer.
David.
Okay.
I came in for the trial.
Okay. Our client ne catch there pensa wa kobi and I akwaji atum say sika $500,000 ne buy wo me ensa chair no nunya $200,000.
Never. Mr. William Tete TV, former Director General of NCA, never admitted anywhere.
Okay.
And that is why the judge acquitted him of that charge. Okay. Never. Captain, and I made trust there. He was only convicted for causing financial loss to the state. The prosecution brought a charge of use of public office for private gain. He was acquitted and discharged on that count. The prosecution brought the charge of conspiracy to steal. He was acquitted. They brought a charge of money laundering. He was acquitted. He was convicted on the fact that there were no PPA approval. There was no causing financial loss to the state in a misuse of public funds. That is it. Captain.
Lawyer.
So, and like I have said, look, Captain, meet your program there. We investigation be recently. I mean, now we name mass clock boss sticker. So Yoko. Echo find it out there. Auditors are using here to audit the predecessor. So court can't do a Yoko na can't do. So one hour we start investigations. Okay.
Patroni.
So okay.
Make I say story no.
Or taking auditors no or your PPA approval.
And there was a contention, but that has not been proven.
Which contention?
As to say,
one person now call Yoko. Yes, that investigation no. One person investigation now is also contention.
Oh, the way that was wrong.
No, I said na metro. So it may well be say auditors are in Juma. In this case, like I'm giving you, the equipment scheme, prosecution witness and Kasankrana, Echo Claire and Newman or Port. It was not even the Director General. Onankasa Esatro Class Accra Command EcoBank. So he together with the Israelis, they have worked everything and the work has been done. So when you come out and say he had caused financial loss to the state because according to you the state had no need of it. The equipment is with national security.
Lawyer, Obi Catchrow say Adena Watoy, the Nande Bornun drew $1 million.
Mr. Captain.
Yes, Lord.
Me and I made those there. Prosecution witness, the investigator, I personally asked him, that is the case about inflated project or cost of equipment. I said, no. The investigator, crowd no buy him. And the judge never says they had inflated the cost of the Pegasus. Never. The judgment not a year 65 pages. Nowhere you will find it as a fact that the price of the Pegasus was in. Now, William Captain, the interesting thing.
It's the explanation man and for the $3 million, sir, and on the basis for the causing financial loss to the state.
No, now the view is that the purchase of the equipment is the entire equipment now that was purchased now, and then the causing financial loss. No. People don't even understand the case. Okay?
Okay.
That the entire, because you see what happened in the course of the investigation, the BNI asked the businessman, if NCA had paid you $4 million, you confirm. In fact, they produced his bank statement, infralog bank statement in court. Okay? On the back court, we all saw it, and I cross-examined him on it. And I'm saying, throughout this bank statement, you have no indication of payment to anyone, including the second accused. I said that is correct. And I will be saying a simple question, sir. What's your bank statement with everything that has happened relating to this transaction? Then Tina, all the funds were not transferred. Then it turned out, sir, the first time the businessman went to EcoBank, transferred $3 million to NSO Group in Israel. EcoBank extra man said, per Bank of Ghana rules, they are unable to transfer the entire $3 million. It's on record. What has the Director General got to do with this? Captain.
Eti Sikano Patrol.
And a Captain made trust there. The contract price was even $8 million. How payment was done?
No, sir, $8 million. No, initial document be a buyer. Some of them on Faber also. We spoke to somebody from IDL and all that. No, IDL director and the fifth accused. So you could not have spoken with IDL. He was the fifth accused. No, what I'm saying is that. Sad documents, no, buy any now, but say $8 million. No, 4 was for the official price of the said equipment.
No, it's not true.
But what
in fact, as I speak to you, the company is in the court, high court, civil division, for recovery of the outstanding amount.
But lawyer, one be installation, one more saying a pure court to hold.
No, and I make us say Israeli company in it here. Omo reseller agreement with IDL. Then IDL had a contract with NCA. Each party had its responsibility. And so throughout, IDL's responsibility is you bring the equipment, you bring the Israelis, they will make sure they will install. So IDL facilitated more passports, visa, everything.
But the amount involved, one more bar and the installation and testing the MPA or
no, In fact, the prosecution's case had nothing to do with even those ones.
No, I'm only asking.
No, because me client, I had to deal with the case relative to my client, and which had to do with the fact that the charges are marble. And we were able to indicate that all these were A, B, C, D. These were the role he played. You are the Director General, he signed the contract. When the equipment came, there was a need for payment. He co-signed with the Director of Finance. Those were the roles he played. And Captain, can you imagine, sir, even before the equipment came to Ghana, before Accra Metono, the release had to come. They went to the National Security Council Secretariat at the conference room with their, the National Security IT guy, together with the Director of Administration, to do the demonstration. Prosecution witness admitted it. So, Oba Bontina, if at the end you say, yes, they have caused financial loss, yes, that's the judgment of the court. But we must respectfully disagree.
Okay, and you mami bisa we na mimfanwi. A pure court was say accused person see a muba kon return sikabi.
In fact, not one city. It was and America say people don't even understand this case.
No, not your client.
No. What happened is that the fifth accused, the company, IDL, during the course of the investigation, he indicated to them, say, he had difficulty transferring the money to NSO Group because of the EcoBank, Bank of Ghana documentations and what have you. So BNI then asked the money ought to be what? Refunded in the time being.
Now, the answer I'm question.
And hold on.
Okay,
that person has been acquitted and discharged of all the counts.
No, and maybe kind of 3 years yet to be convicted. Based on the answer,
Mister, I am telling you, and if you read the judgment, not even one cedi was refunded by anybody.
The answer,
Captain, I can send you the stop copy of the judgment so you can read it to your listeners.
I'll be very glad. But the answer, Mami Busa was our question, sir. I remember set time and
I remember Mustafa Hamid.
Exactly.
Look, Master, there is different what you say in the media and what happens in court.
No, the answer,
hold on.
Can be real.
Meaning the Obabeka because we all knew about it. Something about Mustafa Hamid that the amount. No, Captain Chobo. I acted as counsel. The matters that came to court. That's what I'm telling with.
Oh no. I make a way.
No. All the extraneous material be bar. I'm not going to answer you.
Okay.
No, let's respect each other on this one.
Okay. On the issue of Binimsa when lawyer Bafo when you defended Bafo Bonnie.
So maybe time you are seeing the infano.
Medasian the Minuari.
Now Captain Simon knows you. If you require I would buy the first in the address.
Oh, lawyer, me and I'm not fair for class. Oh, we know me. Maybe that's all him say. Questions here and the Mebusa. Well, him said the majority here. Yeah, was not as I told for the way the one here, fast here, one here, defamation betcha.
And the Oba, not your dispute in the bar, may charge you.
Well, I mean, now I say,
that's the one.
HBBS, Dwaso Nsem lawyer got in Tamaclo, a lawyer, but former the war, a National Communications Authority, Mr. William Matthew Teve, Onona Edi Fende no.
13 no.
Pre-13 the obeshe. Now I remember set time I issue way by me I na de bia me bonya me mpa dan asese toda na memory ni bi ho a ya na me akra me ho hyae mwanwa se chode bi okasa ono ankasa kwa na ote ho no ni hu che ono amu na ote ho no me kai pass exactly 2 years ago time na Mustafa Hamid ye information minister Sam Renimono issue we by no I spoke to Honorable Mustafa Hamid that time no yane papa bi so kasaye yeah fabe was so that time in 2017 around by May ho yes May me kai me di me birthday no wie no e ho ne ba no from by 5th ho ne ba nanim sa enum na on the 26th of May me kai on the 26th of May and IDL 4 womo one penny for no back Mr. George Opon I got the name right Semitiswa normally acheme Mr. George Opon issue statement tin with some 23 points be otaso kafra ba me kwa amano somra me ba na fe ma be kire sa the course so far was 2017 and the bar semi be bedri lawyer Martin Kwegu your private legal practitioner senior good morning
Captain
na bibia bokode e
Nyamina Adom
ayana ensam court na be wie say ya na yepemo nso a mo wonim de wo ho na matimi aboa ye menim se bia watimi judgment ne dooso menye sure se bia samere we bia watimi awi ni na ana se bia watete ho bibia then na wo hu fa judgment ne ho
after na thinking bia fine but you be that no it's from the beginning that into minister one question I had affect to the meeting here no
patcho you
I can some the appeal na
patcho ai
Nti na dano mo sister station joy and flood no and nti mama court judgment ni mu bebre because I said omo kwa appeal nti na say we around one nti ya nti ya na around one ya kan be say bebre you ready to appeal on say we buy papa ina ya ma commentary na e mo ye kika then they can send the brain. Now say equal you know. See a guy become you know, so man can. So yeah, they do commentary. You are creating the brain, yomo. Okay. Into yeah, machine is a commentary, you know. Commentary my system yes shit. To the way of the say yes. I'm not for a while to say, no way you may ye. But at times you see ya nipa no mo ya bo mu pedu no ye be kan se ma gensi be brain e tire o mu ko di nkunima o se na ye ya senti omo no ye ntime twen sign ya se o mu di o mu bi afuni ye enti no na de me say okay yes you judge buya na say ne me person na kan say ye pa say judge na ka say ye nji ejatade en fi omo ko nti na I say ahwa security bi no and ye pa ye data dey fi omo no na fe mo kwa appeal dey omo kwan say obeko ekodi court of appeal from court of appeal omo to go Supreme Court ti omo yi ni na say ke omo di fa na fe ye dey omo akoti jail ba o de nipa no koti jail na etire odi nkunima Ghana ha ye sika se ni o consent Supreme Court ma compensation kura eya sika na ye di mo no kiti bi sa nti be na je se nipa no ase na brabo nti me dia me fi say ni o say yes mo ye radio fono mo dia mo timi twenkan na judge na tan ma amanse o mo tie na fe ya mo abo mo kokko say but o mo kwa appeal nti we no interest ni ye ya nti we ase na me kitime kenkan atwemu yi ebetimi atani but lawyer there we be so anyway we na some yes and yet because we do be appeal because
you and when ya ade no aba choko hoyi Let's just say yen train appeal no query answer.
But it's the time man to trading with facts and because you are committed different. So you are the host who making kind of manful. But lawyer they say the same no. Yes. What kind say we give 4 million. They be you need me at the court now. We have to be careful.
Lawyer Mamenda was a BBS Tremesato Safrio.
Yeah, Captain.
Lawyer Martin Pegbuye, private legal practitioner. Yeah, Kwadam another sense to make that time now, ye Honorable Mustafa Hamidi Kasai, no. Me personally, for you on a friend, mammy. Or can say, or Penia, your friend Eugene Baffo Bonnie. Now, or your previous chairman, man, National Communications Authority, no. On one kasa kwagye atum se sikana wo che ye no $200,000 ebedi de ho na yere so no wo call eye bi na yaso ye no or the $4,000 akotua wakotua $200,000 ebi ho a na ono ankasa a return sa sika ne bi ade akoma wonom eti ekoye ono ani statement a ochroye na eno na omkoduru court enra no ono ne lawyer for can say time na ochro sa asem no say ye confession no na he was coerced and under duress. And then I can person bisa lawyer Tamakura no say no the defending nti wontumi nkan no ho asem say the sick also ewo court on.
Nti na chese nye na adwen nye na ni
tigo die oya de coerce ne tree be kan say
say meka say ye share no ye yire no
okay.
Dan kranti nye ne pe
no
de chiro ye
okay yen fancy ya na appeal bebe mu it said the lawyer can
de mu yi da some person mo pam me mon kana me nkwae
oh ye mpamo
na de mu yi
na say story ba ko kan na hu interview sakase mienu ba
asamo
mami kwa ahoma so na fei wish you oba no pay ya o de yere me no yani Erastus Asaridom ko entoa so akoda ne papa
onye papa
men kan say so no an say
onye papa
ne ayakayaka de yaya ne chidamu na tutu ye no Erastus good morning
Captain
ebusa net say
Adom now sir
ya mi adom wada me akoda no what to say
akoda no make say ye doctor for head na be check aka ntana ne ho ato akola no wa prapa the chi kro no and say o man so a ohun ba bia wo nso ebi se ne nsa ho nyina kru na ne moto ne na chi ankasa baneto banesre ya bandage ne mfinfin nyina na nensa esmabi na ne wona mama so no so ye the plaster atalo kakraka sa enti wo so mu amma na so a na o kikam o se enso me ha ahaya me ya enso me ha eho ne ya me ya enti o kikam sa tan wetimi amma na so di ontimi so na na chi enti o te fa ko sa obada oda ne nchemu sa
ebia na obi tie yen foforo wa asemi hu hyase boy enkomo eye den na koda yi ya bandage ne finfin nyina
enti asem ne si be na wotwini na ne tie ne se oba ya kana ho asemi your friend Barbara wadin fie adunu ensia 26 na wose one abranti ayeka no ho asemi ono so frɛ no Ebenezer Osebus ono so dimfie aduasa 30 wɔte bokuru wo kumase
na omo emienu efi ase atwempena no enfie nson eneba ebem nti junior I kana ho ase 3 years enfie miensa na ommienu omagyae bienti omugyae no oba ne kiremu a na kyese bema no eduru ba bi na ase ne bufu a bibi obenya bia wo de bono oteto da bi kura okeka no ankasa like baby obenya no bia ne body baby a okam
be ma na keka no
okeka no te se kraman keka obi no enti odi hu di no se da bia hwa na one day wa hwere ne nkwanti relationship ne de yintwa so ne mo me no wo ba e wo so hwo ba no temu ana ese abrante no hwa akola ne kama bibi akola ne hia bia o de ma no eti ewumu anu abaso na otwe awie mame akola ne medi Saturday ne Sunday wo me ho na we awaba ti anu de na ma no ode ne kwa ohwe no yie pa obaba no ayi ti kama na ode na ba eti wonde onu se bone bi ni na otwe mu no obaje akola afi time was ode ne ba na so onfa ne ma ana se pa akola ne bra ose David akola na ni aka ntu de ma ne nwa ha kakra ose ma menhwe na nim no amana hwe na nim na ja one na di ago aka na okufi kakra fi o fa akola ne ma akola wadi mfie mi ensa de ohia ne ma onfa ne ma afi ofe na onfa ofe ne maame a one na tifie ne nso a maame no nso onfa na se e no no akọ Abranti enso ma ne nwura edem ho enhwe ne ba no se David ene wa mama nhwe akola no ha menko tina fe ya ntoko so ma ne nhwe no so okay no ko fa ni nua ene ne sister no me ade bai on be ka bia Abranti enso no entintam o ma ne nhwe akola no se ne ti bia de konti a o pese ma nhwe akola ye behwe it was all bad, you know, no be friend, no, if you book, no catching, say, so Penebana Sempa, or me Facolano, Sadano, or me Fanua, or Baba Fanny. Also, a yani Paqua money, or so no dear, what to know for a canny yatra. And no seki, any Adiano, the Yamshishinuntino, or Baquac of Bookroom police for money. Also, Cobo Mamma Niano, almost dogs to 4 near Jumasa, and I don't know, Intino. Omuntimi nene nkwaji search na so there be da enya dia me free police station ha ji se mu yi police ni ka me ho me ekufi ho anadua to order otena ho suya na police fo ni yi obi e ka no ho na omokofi ho ampe bora abrante ne dem obi a oso obi na omubu da no ram onkwa na ta akola na te ho a che se ne mo man asoa na apaye moja etene na fe ompija na tade na chi kese ekuro ne de mintimi enchechi wa isa video no abontinti obetimi ehun kese say belt any de bo no a belt na tutu nam no wona tisha tintokro ededa ho ne sre ho nyina ne nsa ho kese ne chi ne kon ho ne moma so asitu eti boy na me no kasa sisia no Ebenezer Osebonsu odem ewo Zombo police station enra omo yese omo kochi na enene nansani nti na 48 hours no apa ho nti omo pese omo de no court na court remand no into proper custody na omo koso ye investigation no na akola no ho to na omo de na back court na ise ya bedina sem eti ubusa akate asem no ne ewo mu nyina
na abaya bi na mentiasio se bema no otimi bo no no bema no masa keka oba no
sana abaya ekache ni oso no a boy na kasa ne ma me kra wona ne ko a sa bibi obenya bia no de bebo no o be kaw enti busiafo no pese o mo chese boy ne sabe na dwenye but process no say omonkofa krata na say doctor nsasha se chese bia akwa no na dwen mu kanu na bibisa
Enti no akwada ne nkwa ne pa na hia say wo hwa obetumi ate apone mo mebe check akra
Kati ebe check akra doctor for ejira ne so tenten pa menhia government hospital mo ya de say bibia akwala no ehia se ne ho tono no omo eye e de abon ho ban na mum sabi sika na eni ho baya no ni bi nti sika ho e de ama nti obi tie no no nso wo mwa kakra o de babo ama e de ahwa akwala no ama ne ho ato no obetimi afa sa akwa so na walenki apot captain na ya boa na kakra na be ya akwala no obenya na pomude
Mamenda wase Erastus bibia se trebe sato safreo
matikati
se trebe se utreska be de koma akoda no
ye be friend no Erastus we trainer number ye de sika fa so a ebe ye yie no me ankasa me ma omo 200 cedis na omo fanto gos na ne man kitenkiti omo de be hwe akwala no na asem na ya
ayi wa betu am 1000 kra nya bad
asem na ya na asem na re
enya bad
o sen kenya bad on ka so de besese a
enya bad
I wanna say man say there be no yan ka radio so nyese be are chechire what the ba yaka
sika no kai
I wanna then
o so beji wo me ho
no de aba until I'm seeing ka radio so no go e beche on a more serious note oba no susu ye ma no eto de bia se wa hu se abrantie ne maame sa na otie abrantie no ne wo maame pani no timi ko no okeka wo yesi ntokwa funu wa na refi akeka bo no ni refi akeka da na se oyo papa pani a ne bufu otimi keka wo weja akwala ama no yetiri na ye no wanu akwala na anwe
obu no wa
okeka asam na reho ba sefem yesre uhu suban kitinkiti bi wo hono mo a se uhu wani pamu a dwen kwa achiri sebi dwen kwa achiri wo maame pani onya wanu abo no okeka wo no weja akwala ama ne so wo hwe no na se etiri ye no wanu akwala na anwe
ewi ase aye ba ye pa
ba mi enfa nsha adam sa na ye nya no ni ye nya no na ne kwa hospital na da nya dwen etirimude what you say enti e wo se akwala no ye hwe na pomuden no papa na so twen so ye me ye ni kɔ ho na ye twe na so se de be ya wo kyena se wo na oyiri nya asɛm a emfu abufuo enkonkoso akwala so wo na ukunu nya asɛm a emfu abufuo enkonkoso akwala so obi butimi fu bɔ ne ba mutum asa oboban obi bɔ akwala keto asum na agina hɔ no mu na wo nsunu mu ya ni nyina because awari ana say oba na bema na
so ma na nra ye ne bema kwesi amankwa on a national coordinator ma NGO coalition on child rights na nra ye ne bon komo achiri me nyane nte se okɔ ma membu sa no se sa na tia na fe ye ne na to aso eja mankwa ma che
ye japani
wadama bibia e bɔkɔ de
na na monso
obadi ada roma ye ho ye wadama ya offer si wetimi akɔhwɛ no to say the na mete no
nyame aso itimi call na enam say a very delicate unity no kono mama amamfo ho say me na me body but no me officially me no offer no esa ko na ebushafo no home na afere you taking it from there but the ko ye no but I will hotel they say me ho ade a ebetumi aba owofo eso amana ye na me base it say ahomete papa
drama okoya no den na ohu ya betimi ne ya che
no na mesi I describe it again the physical pain I even know and maybe but me I'm looking beyond the physical pain and this car na abeda
akwala na chi no wo say na skin no e pili na ai but a doctor for no e ma we she me say ibia be
akwala ne timi didi
o timi didi
eja mpacho wo som mame betu agina so na yene Barbara oben oya akwada ne maame no embo enkomo wa betumi atie be Barbara, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Na it's a say. Good. Akwada na what to say. Okay. Am paso won fie mi ensa te say dey tie no.
But April 6 ya me fie
April ya no nya fie mi ensa.
But
okay. One ne papa no worry ana lovey ya na dey akwada na be pie mu.
Me so me na worry. Na like not me your relationship no you're my boyfriend.
Okay.
And me saying bye but me really will be.
Wa one ne te no hu say o wa adwene mu yare e ana na dwene mu da ho.
But adwuma yare bi woni bi na adwuma da ho pa
oye adwuma ben
o fe na we university
afen we university
but o ye national service.
Oh okay. Krom hwa no free bo krom hwa na mu ina mu free kuma se hwa
me te kono ana no so ete bo krom but Accra no
winning baby o free.
But already occasion so free a concourse and so I go free.
Asante Bofield, Fante Bofield, and a bono
Santa Bofield.
Asante Bofield, hey,
but
Santasi Bofield, yay.
But
okay. Now, 1 minute na bay Bosume saying, fear saying, na Sakoda never.
That's one tonight. There 4 years, and some account.
Somebody no invest in no me.
But that time the crime I finished secondary school.
Nothing over secondary school. Now so yeah, Juma Bay.
But that no me come training. But when buy and no maintain to us, or no make a change to me all year. Man, or born me no me but no way no. Baby, I'm me share na sitting me say the sitting na me say no to me be.
And to say how we are doing.
But you see a juma me nchikosia ene kokoko wo efie eni.
Okay.
Na me.
Enti akwada no wo de fi kronom na bre no wo bokrom airline ho no.
But sometimes so fra kraba otimi be fa me ko ama ne ko di weekend sana say week no kwa no sa de naba. It's no buy no so lockdown nti me fa na mre no na wondi ne birthday ne ma no na me de ne
wa boda
but your brother wa bo me de no kra ka ho bi na me say na so ya dako o measurement nti ni ko me na me bi
obo gidigidi obo basabasa.
But basa but senibufu a on phone say obetam bibi abo ana say obetam
nibufu mete say otime bu no wakeka wo
bacha ya no kre
ayo ka wo hen
me wa max ni bi kra wo mabeti
nti oboa na waso mu no wakaw
bacha omu but obeto asen na wa bite prekope
vampire na chese nibufu a no wato aso so no wakaw
bacha
to sha wakaw ba ye mpendo do say
ni de 3 times
3 times
bacha
Okay. What share said you want to sit na tie ne akwadaa ne ba mu no na obo na wakao ne sankan fori na no. Then I na ma unya pepa se so fro se fa akwadaa ne bre na wutimi de ne ko.
But China dear, a back crown from dear crown dear. Or Shannon and see. Or Bassaya, be or Befana come out in the barn and I say, oh, look up at our barn, why you come up out. So crown will you be crying on the cafe? Junior, Junior, Carbon, or cement and tank, my body in dinner, tell my body and fine tank. It's a corner dear. Yankasa, oh,
We are then at say, yes, Wabua Quadane Prano.
So no one see. And say one of that. No one answer my aunt Basha and 6 men and I am a birthday. And I'm in the emergency. My friend, some about a Fed Junior, not means I am a birthday, no, I did a crowd with you. And to my friend, I won't find a testing message there. Me check upon my son. I say we are okay. Na me say when you want to my friend, I'm a banning to me be family. I say mommy to me na see ho, and I'm still okay. The following day, na my friend and mommy be saying the fact and here. Na me say to me one that was 9th May no, and me nya ko bi anyim say Barbara ni na me say fact and I say Senator Nebamen Quadia, and you may have a family, and Nebamen Quadia didn't send a banner. To me, I was shame a plan on the Senator now, Oka said for him. Now, Jim the say, or say, and the young here. See, one of my friend, if you're about a banner, and catch him and say, Uncle Jamin and a friend, my brother, and Madame for be so, Uncle Jamin, no man called Jimmy Banner. See, a call, and I will say a crown or that. Showing you the 3 times, so young crying, so no other thing to take care of as baby. No, let me say, and your mommy from the new crown, and yes, I mean, free fiam. So, or say, I mammy home in home. And I'm a call police station, and I'm call report to you. And the call and I call, I say, a dog before. I say, Mammy, catch a policeman and say, Mr. Mama, the Mama family, me cry on my banner cake. You are only okay. Monday, Mamma, the code of cinema for catcher, no magic, mammy, and no a demon. A coy, a coffee, crown, a crowd, and a mama so pet, and I'm new. The about police station, what I read, shall crying, you know, cheer your more journey against Valley. Now, chronic catch a policeman, and it's 6 minutes, and no more rat. What are you mean? Not at a trick nature. In fact, I want to hear. Yes, when the person, and now I am a bunny. And now, Mamma, police form saying, if I can in the hospital, and I'm there crying by me here. This great hospital.
It's no time now on Befa Quadano. Now, Omofa, ne papa ne ka ho.
That's all right.
No, can say then or the Aquadana, sir.
A crana, but Joe to me come and sing now, crana say, that you know, or the TV warrior. And I think the belt now that dear woman be no more the bone. And I'm a mama son and so the Kutana born a mama son. Say, or ya carbon, I think so. As I just say, up on a mattress.
Okay. Now, Aquadani to me can I say no, or so the day, no, I to baby say, see, Benkutane, wire, ni den, then, Aquadana can say to me, I can.
But you know, come interview no more to me, can I say, or the Benkutane belt and a wire.
Okay.
A crown and not a parent, the dear out to make up.
Now, I am passer. Aquadana papa, yes, you to me, bo or no one, mammy or no.
But I know my men are cracking. Or bonnet a minute a car, no mammy, no cry. no na mama me say onye ni papa because me kra na mama na waye ni say dey na me dey onya me dia obeku me kra obi ehu
na mpacho wo hospital ho
pacho wan
o ma office na nchen
pacho wan
wada good
pacho
and the hwe na wan nye ne dede kasema na nya ne why
pacho
na wone ne tire hu se bia onom nsa onom wi onom bibi
pacho de bia ne de ma hu bida me hu se onom nsa kra da maybe kono kra de me pie and another for be koto in symbiosis men of no kra mama no ka ten so no kra no mo nsa no na be me so why say this new me this ada
emra wuhu yesana ye wuro wo bana tade ne chiema na wo ne me kase na ase wusu no wo yam ye wo den
and I'm thinking, no, I am a bunny say, as a more baby, and I'm not as away a dear. And I'm away a day. Oh, you didn't pa. Oh, can't see away a day.
I say, way a day, I will police for the name.
But the police name is a shame as some crowd. And I'm going to fire you so many decisions. And I please me back on stop in the sound there. I'm on to my voice.
Yane nipa baako ana mienu akasa omotwa sede ekiri mfoni ne sete wan kasa wo ye enna akodai da wo ye mbosome nkono a wo de wani hu ye na wo ba na chi ne tesen. Hello Barbara.
Hello sir.
Na me busa se ye wuro wo ba na taade ye no na wo gina ho.
That's all right.
Na chi no ayese den.
But next time I say, this kind of crime to show it. Sana na crime to show you and what she's going to valid. And oh dear boom. Now crime say you know.
Na me who dey be sample biom. Akwada no se bone babe answer I would hold on mommy video no we dey okoye Facebook page ho a ubenya bibi ahwe wo ho bibi kitikiti bi da ho nti se wutie ya entem so Adom 106.3 your Facebook page o dey tumirika ko ho sesi ya tumirika ko ho sesi ya na akwada no ose na so na eden ana papa na timi a kira de ko deport yon se akoda keto amfie miensa no yoye
that's all crane de o kan de so obisa ni so junior o ye den na papa abu wa o se me ya me pa cho se me ya kra bone ma junso uniform ne so ana papa ni so o mo bisa no police ni no bisa no o se I didn't cry me bisa no o se akra I Johnson no akotam ne phone de atum.
But your phone ben.
O se ne phone.
Ne phone. O Johnson e no na akoda no kuta phone we ja ne phone na to Johnson him.
So sa no ne kan ya.
Johnson na egu bolum.
But so me de ni che.
Ana empaso Johnson.
Empaso no ne dem o ma un fa te Ukraine si. Ni se bi ana phone da empaniso na akra ne Johnson ye na e4 ya intimate.
Wo sha wadwen mu no ebia woni na jai no ntina ama na yesa na.
But so intimate ba me se bia eno be kan ni.
What can someone in Tinabio Mache?
But so, no, me can't, and so they can't. And say, I when they would dear grandma, and I'm so I am my. Into when I'm to tell me when a dear. There 5 months.
5 months in it. And send your body of Frewa won't call.
That's all they.
Jina suma me Ejaman kwa
Openye
we de ena owo ye numa semuni ene de won su ko hu ye yenye ne den yenhwe sai bia solution bi o wani manim ye bia minim say nye solution sin na obetimi aka no radio ye so the office e pia bonten e betimi aboa na yetimi aboa ma me ni akwada interview because kosua na oche
I think say asem no ahomete na areho so and enema bi o ha esi fawo de decline on say Ghana ha nhwehwemu a kire say ye ma ni pebre wo ho a o mo fa ne say se be ma bomia e na je say ma aware a na say ma odoba enti ye bu no kra instead say oba report situation no na on report na eja o mo tete ho sa ndi we ne adesua ye say awofo nyina ye de esua de ye san to so biem de me yan say utie rabababra no potential pa say enka say okọ school na nko be nurse but because of pregnancy nearby no atrangeti ne botaya ne sideni so because you see achia ensu mu ye ye be say emo bi e betimi bi aboa no na saa ne aspiration person ye no eno so yetimi amana ye ye san to so biem so ye say abre we ni bi be hia say e be pe bonica psychologist ama Barbara ene ne ban because ye tibia ye mpese obia be kubo because ahomete pa sa bonica say scar ni bi twani de obehu wo ho na de di otirimu dem no ene de ya na ehu pa me de me hu ye na smart it say those mo ya hwe Kristo Yesu from no then ye satama also cross ye omode ade ne bonechi no that is the scenario of the baby na kola see adena se otimi suffer sa de bone pa na koda ya eninti otimi ya sa de me de GDP say enimonimu ya so esa police for no enso hwe de se de mrato ye say 76 kwasiada 48 hours now ye beka say abroso beyond that na de ne ye say be ya e betimi educative situation na ne kine ya na de se hwe de ma akwada no ye de amano na de se hwe de ma maame no ye de amano na omunsu atimi afoma brabo na omato aso aye ya nanso ni nyina no esisua de o mu say ye tiefia this part of violence ni sisi no my emfa tradition my emfa say ye kurumu de ye nya sa na ye no ni ye ntena ho
and wedru sa point Barbara mpacho wo ho
Bacho
adentina mra na obo no wakekaw no wabo no wakekaw samre no ebia wamba posifo amane na wambo pani bia amane se bia motimi ne na akasa
Bacho no me say bia onware me nti na me usa me kwa koka I say me to go police station on me stand there
na ya eba ne sa na bia obo no keka wa echi no otimi fra okrokro kakra
Bacho otimi bia o se me pacho Mama, my baby she.
So power choice no krokro kakra no wasan ba beji bako.
But
Ejaman kwa de tie no no.
Enti akoye ade a enkrofo hu ni say is part of our society. Enti bibia ensi sebio eden na o Barbara de aba na de toto ho. Barbara de eba na de toto se nna ebi a Barbara de no obo no. Ebi okura yekun mu awarifo bebre ho yekun mu olukoko bisa osia na me na dafie na ade kin say won sorry nyina ye niema ye kata so na nyina ye niema ye tie montem ye hu nti e besre de abai ye nyina emfa nyesua de na ma ye mfere say uni obi ti na oye wa yakayaka de a obema apolitifo anaso wema omo a omudi mu ehu ebi a na nye sie de nipa kro betum nanso bi a na kasa che nipa kro ni hia ye se ne ahwe mental health aye kan was some element of issues relating to mental health. It will be a dream to be kakra a senka kakra. In Tiamo modern say, you remind na yen tintia, a walk baby here see a corner. Na ye futu I see a general, na yaje. But they are to say, Mua, ye bako mo conso see a codia futuno. Yes, Seromo. Nesem crofo ba munchia, Momo fan koya chiapia, Edinam. Na ye keka ni ye keka eno so ka ho na ma nkrofo entimi emma bonten enka o masem sebe ya nkrofo betimi etiomofo nti diaba no ye behwemu na ye nyina ya boa se Barbara ene abofra no eyi edie no ebesiemu ye abofra wadi mfemi ensa de nka suku bie kura nka obetimi ayede akobi na se ono so ye betimi ama ni new life a ni aha ama ni new life no
Barbara.
Hello, sir.
Then our person will yes say.
That's what I see. I'm in school. I come as a
Opesa was a nursing school na.
It's all right.
When your admission no na when you yen 20 me and kwana sana wo pre admission no.
But so when your admission, it's your first year.
Oh.
I said, I'm running to in town, go school more on them, nothing. And I'm a cousin in my school, no more sacking. I'm a cousin, Sadia, my sacking.
Oh, until when your admission, no, now call 1 year.
That's all right.
Until Unya, Obesanko school beam.
That's all right.
Obesanko, what?
I tell you.
School, Obesanko. A German qua. Then you bet me quickly. Meaning, say fees near the that will be a secondary thing. What can we do fast? You know, to help her, especially psychologically. Yeah, you better then to get a counselor for her and all that.
Hospital, one of the discussions are in person, many a doctor for a year. Now you heard the way forward. The more that psychologists need to give them the first support. I think the mental strength is very important. Now they regain their emotions and they regain their personality now. The rest will follow suitly. I think that will be the first call. Now, Omapo Mudenos, ya her say, and also be BS, the boy piano, near Timiabua, Ama Colano, so, and one to Nama Etimi, and move forward.
Okay, but Barbara, Obe Pesa Obe school, one now pay Obe baby for fro.
But so, me person me ko baby for fro.
Me person Obe ko baby for fro. Now, so birthday na 5th May 5.
That's all right.
Any open so.
Men so me dey May 5. Oh, kosa. Menim say wonye lawyer there. O pese ya banti ne ye ndɛn.
But so me dey say me dey try mama. Me say o bebe see cry. Me say abari nje manjele ne mama. Me say o beti ne nkum ni pa.
Enti sesi ano kosua na watch na wabobo ano apesika de akọ school nyesa.
That's all right.
Okay. Ebia na me producers name Mr. Mankwa yen ntimi anye de edikan. So what is a nursing school forms na ba. So na wa bopin ho na wakopa bi ato. Na menu baba ko studio ha ye frɛ no hima sechua or say oba ye 200 mobile money abrɛ osese ya.
That's all you me dana sinamisha.
Me aso me de bi bɛka ho. Enti ebekɔ animu kakra. Na wo de bi asie. So what you say?
That's all.
And no ye nursing training forms no menim say ya ton awie aba. Enti wo de yen hwe no no nyina ne how wa ebetimi aboa na we movie out of this but ade ba kwan pese me kan say esi eya but the man nhye wo so bebre anhwe obetimi adwea na wakọ ha foforo why enti mo wani nkọ ho sa akoda no obete apo na the doctors be chiro no ntemtem so na waye say si awo hospital ho
that's all right
and wa opesa wo ye nurse unim say COVID-19 so aba.
Yeah, that's all.
Ti men sheda anye se wusu nko a wusu ina na de adwen kakra to ho no wa hohoro wonsa. now the sanitizer so ayo nsa ka say the be ya bia wo kwa abonti kosuso bibim na oba na wo de be ka kwada ne sense the skin mu ina bie no wa mfa bibia ankosa no why na ma obo ntoyem ye be hu de be ye pompe ye be frel na de sese ye no yetimi ayama why
okay
all right yenda si Barbara okay then munyi Barbara mfiso ma mena nka German kwa na me name Mr. Mankwa Dwaso na me asemi de afekura de ebrom so ebrom so German kwa
openyi
enti animanim ye na dwuma ye nhyeda nya de bia eye bibi papa bia me drain said ono wo hospital we e bia na drink bia ono akra benom aduane bia obeto bedie kura no kosuache no hu sika de obebre kakra ye be yende ni o wadama
besa be ko anopeya na meka say ko da me hu dia terrible na ehwe akola ne bills na ne nema no we take it up and ensure say mama no eno so nkwe na de agengene na onya agene pa ne agene say no to function ba no because psychologically na the bobbe kura say you see now we need kakra and also the agent for the bread but the most important thing is say and so assurance is say bill will be taking care of her I think the rest will flow.
Mabenda wase eja kwesi amankwa Bema kwesi amankwa national coordinator my NGO coalition on child right. It's a very bad scenario. I mean, it's not good at all. So, akoda fiemi ensa akoda de ne say
nana areho asfem ye aboafo bebre afre se ombepese ombeboa no mo fa mai nti e mame Angela na aka on fa mai e na mama Kus ono so aboso kan adwadifo ma ni nyina on president no ono so aka on fa mai ye hwese nyame be ya adom na aboafo abam areho asfem ebi pema ni bi ti nyame ye wadom na o ma ubia kusua na wo chi nso do ne ba obetimi ahwe no a obehwe no nenra na meka se ka social system ye adwuma ke no ani se social welfare eje akwala no na wo mo anhu ne bio
ma me kwa wa traumatized
ono ankasa wo hwe ni sika sami ni
ya sports for
na me konti me ko Mr. Usu USA Maryland Nyankopon hwa no mama hu se ye da so oni papa e wo asasi so enti Nyankopon hwa na mi sister Dina ono so ye Ghana ni a wawo akwada na pomodi ni nyina so ye ono so kwan a ote asam no sukrama me kwa mesia film ti da wo mo nyina ase na ntie beko